Tonight on Garage Time, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our 1500cc single port engine. Okay, so tonight we are going to reinstall our engine that we just showed you us cleaning up, putting a new cylinder head on, replacing some seals, putting a new alternator on. I'm just taking off this strap I had put on so the torque converter didn't fall off while we were not working on the engine. So here we go. We are going to line this up the best that we can. Actually, since we do have a hoist, I'm going to lower the car more so we're lifting the engine less. So we'll go ahead and lower the car now. Lower the camera. Get it back into view there. Okay, I'm gonna lower the car again. Now our wheels are actually touching the ground, so that's as good as we're gonna get for the car. But we'll just go ahead and jack up the engine. Now with our Autostick, ours are all bolts. We're usually on a standard Beetle you have two studs, so at this point the two studs would be in. It's kind of held. In our case, we will be lying underneath the vehicle and tightening some bolts. That wasn't a very exciting video with a hoist. It's very simple, very straightforward. I dropped the car, raise the engine slightly, push it back into place. It is a little more difficult with the Autostick, as everything with the Autostick seems to be, but ours is 4 bolts, so usually you have the 2 studs that slide right back into the tranny, kind of holds it in place. In this case, you have nothing to hold it there, not even like your shaft out of your tranny that goes into your clutch and whatnot. You don't have that on this. So yeah, we got to tighten these bolts first, and then we'll lift the car back up and continue the install. All right, so we've tightened the bolts and nuts, and so there you go. As simple as that. Our engine is back in. Now we can go ahead and start putting on the rest of the fuel lines, exhaust, heater boxes, belt, pulley, reconnect all the electrical, and fire it up. And as you can see with the hoist, it's quite simple, but that is how you install your 1500cc single port engine back in your Volkswagen Beetle.